Hey, do you think you have asthma? Do you want to know the symptoms of asthma? Well, let me go through them with you. The four most common symptoms of asthma are wheeze. Now this is like a whistling noise when you're breathing out. Breathlessness. This is where you may feel short of breath or finding it difficult to breathe. A tight chest. So sometimes this can feel like a band tightening around your chest. And coughing. Even when you don't have a virus or a cold, you're still coughing. So that's a quick summary of asthma symptoms. If you'd like to learn more about asthma, then subscribe to my channel. If you already have asthma, let me know how it comes on for you in the comments below.